Alright guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. So, okay, what do we have in here? Uh-oh, I think I might know what this is. Uh-oh. Butchie boy. This is for roadkill, guys. He won this from Oliver. Pretty nice gimbal too. Wow. Really nice. Really, really nice gimbal. Sweet. And it just stabilizes, you know, there's no movement and all that. So, really nice. It's got a strap down here that you put it over top. Once you get, you know, your bird on, your camera on there, just strap it down. Sweet. So, Butch, get that bird to me, bro. Where we have a 2S connector on this, Butch, what we were talking about, if you remember. 2S connector hooked right to the battery. Gimbal power right up on it. Get me that bird up here. Bugs 3. That's what that's going on, guys. And what else we have here? Uh-oh. We have an iPad case, looks like. Oh, rip this apart. How do I get this off here? Oh, what am I missing here? Oh, that literally locks in that tight. Dang. Oh, might have been okay, it was stuck on there. Okay. So awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's see here. I actually have the iPad right here. Yeah. No way. Dude, we've been needing a case for this one. Oliver, look at this, man. You the bum. Check us out, bro. We've been needing one for this. A case for this bad boy. Do I got it right? I got something wrong here, don't I? Okay, it goes in. I got you. Like so, maybe? I'm not sure if that's how it goes, but looks like it might. Thinking it somehow I'm missing something here, but we'll figure it out. Obviously not. It goes in. Actually, it might go in like so. That make more sense, yeah. There you go. That looks much better. So you've got your little pad in there, little thing that holds it in. Sweet. Thank you, brother. Really appreciate that, man. That's awesome. That's really sweet, bro. I really thank you, Oliver. Dronography. You guys go check him out. I'll drop a link in the description below. Man, he has hooked MD up. This is for roadkill, a gimbal. But wow, he's taking care of us, guys. Look at all this phone accessories and whatnot. Wow. You know, this is something else. To actually have someone, you know, in a family. I just didn't cost me nothing. I sent Oliver a couple prints. And this is what I got for him. Not got for him, you know, it's just, he said, hey, you know, print me something and I'll send you something, you know, but you guys already know who's gotten prints already, and I don't ask for nothing back. So this is cool, man. This is really cool. Like, wow. Like, I'm ecstatic, you know, to receive this stuff. This is really, really awesome. So there you have it. That's everything, man. Oh, no, I'm lying. That's not everything. You gotta put this in here. So that's everything. Check that out, guys. That is, wow. That is a haul, man. You had that little box loaded, brother. I'm not kidding. So, Oliver, I really appreciate this, brother. Thank you so much, man. The batteries. I mean, just the batteries. You know, the batteries. And then 2 VTXs, not one. Some tri props, and we're going to try these on the Bugs 3 Mini. I can promise you that. A shark cage for the GoPro Hero 3. A waterproof cam mount. I'm almost sure that's for a GoPro also, but if not, that looks like it fit my Vivitar. A nice suction cup mount. Tons of cell phones and cell phone cases, and got some wires here for linking up stuff and whatnot. Really, really cool, man. I really appreciate this, brother. You're an awesome guy. Thank you so much, and we're really, really, really glad to have a person like you in our drone hobby. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Dronography. Oliver, if you guys don't know. Thank you for watching.